Jai Hind everyone. I am Amit Kumar, Assistant Professor in Computer Science Department, Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College, Ghaziabad. So today's topic is WIMP interface. W stands for the Windows, I stand for the icon, M stand for the menus, and P stand for the pointers. So outline of today's topic is what is WIMP, why IMP interface are so popular, element of IMP, advantages of WIMP and disadvantages of WIMP. So at first, what is WIMP? As we know that W stands for the Windows, I stand for the icon, M stand for the menus, and P stand for the pointers. That one is first introduced by the Xerox PARC. Xerox PARC in 1973. And popularized with Apple with Macintosh operating system in 1984. So this one is developed by Xerox Alto in 1973 and popularized by Apple's company in Macintosh in 1984. So why when we start WIMP interface, at first we understand what is window, what is icon, what is menu, and what is pointer. So Windows, when you are seeing this video in a laptop or a desktop, a window is appear in your screen. So this one is a rectangle area of a screen where commonly used application to run. And icon, when we use a computer, we see the different type of icon present in our screen or a window. Suppose icon is my computer. My computer icon present in my screen. We click on or a double click, we perform some operation on that. So icon is a graphical or a small size of pictures through which we can operate the system. Menu is nothing but is a list of options. Through this list of options, user can interact with the system. And pointers, you see in your Windows, a cursor move around the screen. This is a single pointer. So one by one we can elaborate it in further. And why we are using it, or we can say that why this one is so popular. Because of it's not need a more training or not more knowledge about that. We can say that non-technical person can use it very easily or handle very easily, user friendly, because of when we use such type of icon, just suppose that a folder, so a folder is appear in that. My computer has computers, image is present there. So a very familiar icon we use in WIMP. If we use the familiar icons, what obviously but of speed of the operation will be increased. Clicking options is available. Suppose when we work on a MS-DOS, then we have learn about the complex command such as MD, CD, exit. So we kept in our mind a number of command. But in WIMP manner, we click on an icon and action will be performed. So this one is very easy this one is very user friendly, and this one is very, the non-technical person can use very easily. So therefore this one WIMP is very popular. So as a window is a rectangle area where the commonly used by application we are run on the Windows. So you are working on a laptop or a desktop, so a window is present in your screen. There are two type of Windows manager. The first one is operating system software. Through the operating system we can manage the Windows, and the user can also manage the Windows, just like minimize the Windows, maximize the Windows, restore the Windows, cross the Windows, and resize the Windows. User can customize accordingly. Windows representation style. We have a three type of Windows representation. The first one is tilde window. The second one is overlapping window. And third one is cascading window. You see on the screen, a single window present in our screen. This one is tilde window. Overlapped windows, that means more than one window present in our screen, a parent window and a child windows, or maybe some more windows present in our screen. So this one is the overlapping. Overlapping, that means some paper is present on a some paper present on our table. And cascading, a sequential manner. You see, arrangement is very sequential arrangement of a window is known as cascading windows. Next, the type of windows. Type of window, that means there are three type of windows. SDI, single document interface. MDI, multiple document interface. TDI, tabbed document interface. SDI, single document appear in our window. Single document appear in the window, that means single window appear in our screen. Only parent window is present in our screen. Multiple document interface, MDI, that means more than one or two windows present in our screen. That one be a overlapping process here. And tabbed TDI, you see when you are work in any browser, a number of tabs open in your window. So when we click on the new tab, a new window is appear. So this manner is known as tabbed document interface, TDI. Here you can see a number of tabs present in our screen. So we click on this tab, the new window is appear. We click on this tab, the new window is appear. So these are three type of windows: SDI, MDI, and TDI. Next, component of window. You see in your screen, menu bar. At first we see the title bar. The title bar is one of them. Title bar that is present in our, this one is blue color. This title. The title bar present in our screen. See, in right corner, minimize, maximize, and cross button. So this one is a component of window. So if we want to minimize this window, we click on single click on the minimize button, minimize the windows. Maximize, large size is present in our screen. And close button, if we want to close the window, then we close option is here. This menus bar, this one. Menus bar, you see, file, edit, insert. This is one is known as menus bar. Menus bar is the second layer of the windows. And some standard bar is present. You see, this one is a save as button, this one is a open, this one is a new folder. So this this standard bar present in our window. This one, this is MS Word. So ruler is present there. This one is known as ruler. Horizontal and vertical scroll bar present in our windows. If a Windows is greater than the size of the screen, so this horizontal and vertical scroll bar present. Drawing bar, you see this one is the drawing bar. If we want to change the color of the text or size of the text, we can do that. We can also draw the shape of the image or a shape of the text. Status bar is there. If we show the status of the processing, this one is the status bar. And document page, where we some type on the type or a text present the text. So this one is the component of Windows. Component of Windows, that means title bar, menus bar, formatting bar, standard bar, ruler is present there, maximize button, minimize button, close button, horizontal and vertical scroll bar, text boundaries is also present there, drawing bar, status bar, and so many components are in our Windows. So some of the components accordingly. Next, the second one is icon. The second one is icon. Icon is nothing, is a graphical representation of an object or an action. Graphical, that means through the pictures, you see. Through the pictures, we can click on this picture and a new window is appear or some action performed by the system. So icon are most often used to represent the object and action with which user can interact. So through the image, user can interact with the system. Again, icon are pictorial representation of object. So this one is a small size of or a symbols to represent the file, folder, commands, etc. Type of icons. According to the Roser, in 1989, explained 5 types of icons. The first one is very symbols, second symbolic, third one is exemplar, fourth one is arbitrary, and 5th one is analogy. So these are the 5 type of icons. Resemble an image that look like what it means. Symbolic, an abstract image representing something. Exemplar, an image illustrating an example or characteristics of something. So through the example we can create a sub image. Arbitrary, in image, completely arbitrary, in appearance, those meaning is must be learned. So we create a such type of image. We have knowledge about this image, what type of action will be performed. Analogy, a same associated, same meaning of the image. An image physically or semantically associated with the same thing. Just like a this one is my computer. When we click on this icon, then a new window is appear. That one is folder. You see, a folder is there. So such type of icon are analogy icons. Characteristics of the icons. Characteristics of the icon that means through the icon user can interact with the system. So these icons must be very familiar. If the user can know the meaning without any guidance or without any training, so that one is a very easy to operate by the user. Clarity, icons will be very clear, should be very clear. Simple icon present in our screen. Simple icon, that means we use such type of icon that are very common and simple. Consistency in whole document. In whole document, the consistency of the icon is present. That means if we use this type of icon for the folder, that means all folder are present in the same manner. Directness of the meeting, icon must be used according to its meaning. Suppose we have a such type of icon, that means this is the symbol of network or Wi-Fi, or when we using this type of icon, that means this one is a power button icon. So explain its direct meaning, we use a such type of icon. Effective, more icons must be effective, clear and effective. Discriminable from the others. So there were no ambiguity according to the icons. We use such type of icon we are not used for show the dual meaning, because of user can in dilemma, or user cannot easily to understand what can I do. So discrimination is there. So these are the characteristics of the icons. Next one is the menu. The third one is menu. WIMP. M stands for the menus. Menus display the list. That means you go to the page. This one is the window, and this here present as a file. Edit. You click on the file, options present in this file. Save as, open, save, exit. So these lists are present in our windows or a screen. So we click on this options and some action will be performed. So this one is known as menus. Menus is nothing, is a list, displays each group as a menus item. User click on the group name and operate it. So one by one is a set of options presented to the user of computer application to help them to find the information to execute a function. So allow user to make selection from the list. So a list is present there. Through this list, user can select one of them. Menus are basically list option. I am already told that this one is the list. These lists can be ordered or non-ordered. So there were no meaning. This one may be ordered or non-ordered. Non-ordered list present in our screen. Menu title must convey all the information needed for the user to select one. This one is very important. When we select save as or a save, select all, open, so copy, cut, paste, so must convey all the information that user easily understand its meaning. So this one is a menus. Type of menus, we know that the different type of menus. This one is some type of menus. So first one is pop-up menus. Second one is graphical drop-down, cascading menus, pull-down menus. So pop-up menus, also known as context menus or shortcut menus, is hidden and does not appear until the right click on the specific selection. So sometimes you see that you right click with the help of mouse and options will be available. Number of time when you want to refresh the window, you use it. Graphical drop down menus. In graphical drop down menus, clicking on an item which could be text, button or icon so appear in our windows, and we click on this item and some action will be performed. So graphical drop down menu, that means a image is present where we click on this image. Cascading menus. Cascading menus is one of the most common menus of the of the OSs. Programs and websites. It displays sub menu when item is selected on the main menus. So this you see that when we have a menus list, and when we click on this menus list, a sub menu is present there. So this type of cascading, this type of a cascading is known as cascading menu. When the this type of a list is present in our menu item, or a menu list is present in our screen. Pull down menus. Pull down menus, you see pull down menus. This one is pull down menu. Example of pull down menus is also known as drop down menus. Is popular choice from the GUI. In number of website or number of applications you use it. When a user click on the menu title, a menu item will be appear and drop down list will be appear. And from its position we click display on the screen, and we click a single click, the action will be performed. So these are some type of menus. First one is pop-up, second one is graphical drop down, third one is cascading, and fourth one is pull down. The fourth one is pointer. WIMP. The P stand for the pointer. Pointer is nothing. You see on in your screen a cursor move around your all over the screen. So this is a pointer. Through the pointer, we click on a icon. We click on the menus. We click on the menus bar. We operate with the help of pointers. So here we through the image I declare the some pointers, icons present in screen. Pointer usually link arrows are used to select icons. So when we want to click this icon, this is my computer. My computer options is there. So cursor is present there. This type of a cursor. So according to the screen size, the cursor size varies. So through the cursor, we click on this icon and perform some actions used by a mouse. So WIMP style released on pointer and selecting things. Pointer move around the screen via the mouse. So with the help of mouse, we operate the screen. Advantages of WMP. Advantages of WMP. Why so popular? Because of when we use the system, GUI system, these are most popular thing. Easy to use. User cannot more required for the technical knowledge. See the icon, understand the icon meaning, and perform the actions. Not learn more than commands. MD, CD, exit. So a simple icon present on the screen and click and find the action. Benefits of what you see and what you get. So what you see on your screen, according to the screen or a graphic or a icon, you perform the action. User friendly, but obvious. When the icons are more familiar with the user can understand easily. Then this one is user friendly environment is there. Is the one advantages of increased speed of learning. Speed of learning, that means non-technical person can learn a lot through the WIMP. Provide greater productivity and efficiency. Through this WIMP interface, user can give more productivity and efficiency in his work because of clicking event is there, not more than command or program is needed. And disadvantages of WIMP. Disadvantages, the graphics is there, image is there, a lot of RAM size and disk size we needed. So more than take more RAM storage and disk capacity we needed here. And processing, when the amount of the memory is increases, so processing power is also we need. So this one is when we execute this image or images are present in our screen, so more processing power are needed. They can be slow for experienced programmer. Experience this one, because experienced programmer are much familiar with code, so they sometimes this one is slow, but at the beginners this one is not even. At the beginner are choose the WIMP GUI features. Pure WIMP does not use other sense. That means in a sense of hearing or touching. Touch panel is there, and some speak recognition manner. Pure WIMP are not work. So this one is all over about the WIMP window, icon, menus and pointers. So thank you.